Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Now we will tell you the news about the AmpCoin cryptocurrency. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates for the first time since 2018 in a bid to begin curbing inflationary pressures it blames on supply and demand imbalances and rising energy prices. The U.S. central bank hiked its target range for the federal funds rate by 0.25 basis points and anticipates further, ongoing increases in future meetings, according to a Wednesday statement by its Federal Open Markets Committee, FOMC. The committee met over the past 2 days to discuss strategies the Fed could take to bring inflation back within its 2% target range, as the metric has stayed far above that goal for over a year, soaring past 40 years high levels. In addition to raising interest rates, the Fed will also begin shrinking its balance sheet as it plans to announce specific measures for reducing its asset holdings in the next meeting, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said in a press conference following the release of the FOMC statement. Powell explained that the committee is confident that the U.S. economy will withstand less accommodative monetary policies as it is currently very strong. However, the chairman highlighted how the current Russian-Ukrainian war can lead to even greater inflationary prices. Over the short term, we expect inflation to return to 2%. But it is likely to take longer than previously expected, Powell said. No one knows with any certainty where the economy will be 1 year or more from now. Powell explained that in his view, it isn't likely that the U.S. enters a financial depression as FOMC participants continue to foresee growth and low unemployment rates. Bitcoin spiked above $40,000 as the Federal Reserve announced it would hike interest rates and shrink its balance sheet. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. So next news. Launch of crypto donation site, a big boost for Ukraine's military fighting the Russian invaders. Numerous news reports said the fundraising platform is a partnership between the country's Ministry of Digital Transformation, cryptocurrency company Everstake, and crypto exchange FTX. According to Aid for Ukraine website, the platform currently accepts digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Dogecoin. It outlines how donations are translated to US dollars and transmitted to Ukraine's national bank becomes more mainstream, and confidence grows the service may become redundant. So what's next for AMP? Can it convince the market of its value? Can it gain momentum and break out of this long, disappointing decline? AMP price analysis. Technical view. The AMP coin started its journey at $0.00953 on 11 September 2020. It sustained that price level until 4 February 2021, when it reached $0.01138. The token then registered a spike on 25 May 2021, trading at $0.039. On June 10, AMP was listed on the mainstream cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, leading the token to hit an all-time high of $0.121 on 16 June 2021, according to data from CoinMarketCap. AMP reached $0.04524 on October 31st, but in the last few months the price has been getting condensed between narrowing highs and lows. Technical analysis provided by CoinCodex on 17 February showed that short-term sentiment on AMP remained bearish, with 8 indicators displaying bullish signals and 17 bearish. The daily simple and exponential moving averages are giving sell signals, according to data from TradingView, while the Relative Strength Index, RSI, was at 44.67, 17 February. An RSI rating of 30 or below indicates an oversold or undervalued condition. TradingView's overall recommendation was a sell. AmpCoin Fundamental Analysis. The AMP token, which serves as a singular type of collateral within Fleexa, appears to have benefited from a listing on the Coinbase trading platform in June 2021. More people now have access to buy and sell AMP as a result. This has led to a steady increase in the digital collateral token's popularity. AMP could also benefit from the fact that cryptocurrency investors can now earn income through staking, a process whereby an individual earns passive income in addition to their token price gain. As a whole, the rise of global token networks has fostered a spectrum of innovative projects with features specific to spending utility, low volatility protocols, pegged assets, and synthetic commodities. The benefit of AMP is that the protocol provides a completely autonomous collateralization system. Typically, collateralization means that users are dependent on a third party. However, AMP removes this requirement by offering a decentralized digital alternative. Another major plus is that the AMP network provides real-time finality assurance, which gives a boost to the token. A drawback of cryptocurrency payments can be the time that transactions take to be completed at point of sale. What is especially unique about the AMP network is that users can collateralize their assets instantly. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate